Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kate.
And I'm Hamid.
And hope you guys are having a wonderful day.
So guys, today we're gonna go to the International Street Food Festival in Bologna. This festival is taking place in Bologna this weekend, and they're gonna have a lot of different type of snacks and street foods from all around the world, I hope, because it does say international and not only Italian. So we're gonna try out some food. And
we're very excited, guys.
Yes, we are. Last year we went to this pizza festival and we really enjoyed it. They had different types of pizza and snacks as well, and so we're looking forward to this year's festival. We looked up the location of the festival and it's actually quite near our place, so we're just gonna walk through the park here, around 5 minutes walk or so. So let's check it out.
Panzerotti? Sì, sì, mozzarella e pomodoro. The arancino, the red.
Oh no.
Oh, you have, you want the other one? The riso alla norma?
Okay. That's it.
Oh yeah, I got one panzerotti and one arancino. Yep. Okay, let's go sit somewhere. Here, we got the meat skewer. It's good. Hot and fresh from the grill.
So guys, there's a lot of food stalls here and a lot of food options. So we grabbed quickly some snacks for us to try. So the first thing we grabbed is a panzerotti with cheese and tomato sauce, this one, right? And then we also grabbed a arancino, which is a fried rice ball, and this one has also, I think, cheese in there. So just a regular version. They had the ragu version, but they didn't have it cooked yet, so we got the normal version, which is rice and cheese. And last but not least, we also got some meat on skewers right off the grill, and it looks so good. There are only I think 5 sticks for €5, so they look pretty good. So can't wait to try. Here, why don't you try one first?
So guys.
How is it?
It's perfect. Grilled. It's really good.
Yeah, you can see it's very
It's like
juicy,
fatty,
right? Yeah.
Juicy. And they put enough salt.
Yeah.
Very tender too. It's really good. You wanna try?
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try one of the skewer, and this is called Arrosticino, which is skewers on meat on skewers. Oh wow, I love it. It's very tender, the meat, and they put some kind of seasoning on it, some salty seasoning, which brings out the flavor. Very flavorful. Next we're gonna try out the panzerotti, and the dough is so soft, it's fried perfectly. Let's see what's inside. Very nice. I like the flavor of the dough. It's so soft and gooey. Let me take another bite and show you guys inside. Wow. Perfect. There's a lot of filling in there too. Perfect amount of cheese and tomato sauce. I love their panzerotti. This is really popular in the south of Italy, huh?
Right.
It's good?
So good. A lot of cheese.
I know, very cheesy, right? I love the texture of the dough, the bread. It's so nice. Like, it's very
So
soft. Yeah.
And they put perfect amount of filling, so that's why I really like it.
Okay.
So guys, another favorite.
She loves arancinas.
I love because it's rice balls with filling inside. So it's perfect.
And this is huge.
Deep
Look at
fried
this.
too.
This thing is huge. Wow. I think it's like the biggest arancina I've ever seen so far.
Yeah, that's true. We got the original one.
Yeah.
With because I didn't have the one with meat, so we picked the regular. Now you know.
Yeah, I wanted to try the ragu one, but they didn't
I
have it.
know,
Let's
yeah.
show a close up of this.
Very good.
It's my turn to taste, see how it is. Wow, the rice, there's a lot of rice in there. Wow. The rice has a lot of flavor. And it is a little bit cheesy. So, it put a little bit cheese. And the filling inside with the rice, I think they have a little bit of mushroom too in there, huh?
Oh yeah? Good.
Wow. So guys, I just got a beer from the Prague beer stall, and I love Prague beer. When we went to Prague last year, we loved drinking their beer. So let's try how this one is. This is good. There's a little flavor to it, like orange flavor. It's nice, refreshing. Wow. So guys, we got a meat platter from the Argentinian stall, and this looks incredible. All sorts of meat. I think they gave us ribs, and they gave us some sausage, and they also gave us some sort of steak, flank steak or something like that, right? That you can find in Argentina. So this looks delicious, and they put a little bit of onions and little red peppers on top of it, and then they gave us a little bit of bread on the side. So let's see, it's fresh off the grill. Let's see how this one tastes. Let me first take a bite of the flank steak. This is good. I'm gonna try some sausage. Looks really nice and juicy. Wow. So much flavor in this sausage. It's good, right? Salty. Well seasoned. Juicy. Oh yeah, I forgot about the juiciness. It's actually really juicy.
So juicy. Really good. I like The salsa that they put, the tomato, onion, and vinegar.
Yes. Okay guys, I'm gonna try a piece of rib as well. It's so good, hot, warm. You can taste the meat flavor, right? What I like about it, you don't put any extra barbecue sauce or anything like that. It's just pure meat. Chase it down with some beer. Hit the spot.
Crema e pistacchio e crema e amarena.
Okay, so I'll get the crema and the crema.
Sì, sì.
So guys, there's this dessert I saw. It's from the region of Salento, and it's really good. It's
It
like
looks
a
good.
pie filled with cream, I believe. Yeah, and pistachio. So I got two flavors, one with cream and one with cream and pistachio. So it's mixed. So flaky, buttery too. I can feel the crust is so buttery. So I want to give this a try. Looks so good. So flaky, buttery and sweet. Try it. It's my favorite.
It's good.
It's
Yeah.
really good. You should try this, baby. It's so good.
So soft. Really good.
Buttery.
I love it.
Okay, now we'll try the other one. It's good for breakfast. Okay, so guys, this one is with pistachio.
How's this one? It's good.
Creamy and nutty.
Yeah, let me try this one too. Okay, I'm gonna have a bite of this.
Oh, really good, right?
It's nice and warm. Wow,
From just,
perfect sweetness to it. I love it.
it's like freshly baked.
Really good. Good purchase, baby. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a fantastic food festival. We really enjoyed the food there. They had a lot of different selections, a lot of different varieties of food as well. And yeah, we're extremely full.
Yeah,
Did you enjoy?
I did.
Yeah,
It's so good.
we actually ate a lot. And yeah, I think total it cost us 40 euros for
Yeah.
everything, right? And we had quite a bit, and including the beer, so it was well
Really
worth
good.
it. Yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with others, and don't forget to subscribe as well to our channel. Okay, we'll see you soon in our next video. Ciao guys.
Ciao.